Hola my lovely friends, I'm Blanco and today we will talk about grammar. Don't fall asleep, I will try to make it interesting. Paco, roll out the intro. The tense we will be using is called presente de indicativo and it's sort of simple present in Spanish. Today we will concentrate on regular verbs with R ending. Why R ending? Are there more? Well, R is the first group of regular verbs, so we should start there. And yes, there are two more groups of regular verbs, the ones that ends with er and the ones that ends with ir, but we will get to them in the next lessons. Before we move on, let's clarify what is a regular verb. We can call a verb regular if its conjugation follows the typical pattern. But what does it mean exactly? Let me give you an example. Hablar is one of the regular verbs, for instance. We can determine a base, which is called a stem, and an ending in it. Because it's regular, its stem will stay the same through the whole conjugation. Moreover, the R ending has only one conjugation. That means if you learn how to conjugate one verb with an R ending, you know how to conjugate them all. Now let's see it in practice. We will stick with our example. Let's separate the R ending for clarity and conjugate it. Yo hablo, tú hablas, él, ella, usted habla, nosotros, nosotras hablamos, vosotros, vosotras habláis, ellos, ellas, ustedes hablan. Like I said, the stem HABL stayed the same and conjugation of R will be always the same as well. Let's prove it with another example. Trabajar. Yo trabajo, tú trabajas, él, ella, usted trabaja, nosotros, nosotras trabajamos, vosotros, vosotras trabajáis, ellos, ellas, ustedes trabajan. I told you the ending stayed the same. Let's conjugate a third example to be sure we get it and move on to the sentences. Paco, what do you suggest? Estudiar. Venga. Yo estudio. Tú estudias. Él, ella, usted estudia. Nosotros, nosotras estudiamos. Vosotros, vosotras estudiáis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes estudian. Let's practice a bit and use it in a sentences. María habla inglés. Estudiamos español. Pedro y Paloma trabajan de casa. Hablas bastante bien. Estudio italiano todos los días. Vosotras trabajáis en Madrid. That's it for today, guys. I hope you found this lesson worthwhile, or at least entertaining. If so, please leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Paco, grammar is not that bad, huh?